Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram Reels Boost to get engagement. So for this, click on Instagram and go to your profile. Now here, make sure that you uploaded Reels here. So to boost it, you need to open any reel here and click on Boost Post. Okay, so if I click on Boost Post here, after running all the ads here, like fulfilling all the requirements, you need to click on View Insight, and from here you can analyze all the engagement, like how many account reach, then real interactions, then profile activity like followers or non-followers. Okay, so there we have reach 71% follower and 28% non-followers. So how many plays we get? It's 93, and the watch time is 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Okay, so there we have likes and comments. Okay, no save and no shares, and there we have followers, so we get no followers. But if you run ad, there is 99% chances to get followers, likes, comments, etc. So in this way, you can view engagement on the boosted reels or post. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.